Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to edit a photo in ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to edit an image in ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To edit a photo in ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, open a new chat or select an existing conversation. Now, tap on the image icon located on the left side of the text input box. From the pop-up menu, select Photos to upload from your device's gallery. A new window will appear showing your device gallery pictures. Choose a picture from your device. After uploading, type the description of the edits you want to make in the chat box. You can describe changes like brightness, background, adding or removing objects, changing colors, or adding text. Once you enter the prompt, tap on the Send button. ChatGPT will process your request and apply the edits to your photo. After the editing is complete, the new photo will appear inside your chat. Tap on the image to view it in full screen. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Save button to download the edited image to your device.